going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This week's video, I'm going to be cleaning my entire house. I do this every Sunday. This is a little bit different than my weekly chores video because since finding mold, I have been cleaning a lot more. And instead of just cleaning, say, a couple of those things once monthly, I have decided to clean everything once weekly. This is my routine after I post my videos on Sunday. Instead of sitting down and working, I actually stop everything else I'm doing so that I can get this done because it takes a long time. Don't let anybody try to tell you that living in a tiny house you have to clean less. No, in my opinion, you have to clean a lot more. Small spaces gather dust and hair a lot faster than, say, in a big house where the dust and hair has a lot more room to disperse. So in a tiny house, in my opinion, you just have to clean a lot more. So let's get to it because we've got a lot of cleaning to do. say, that's a lot of cleaning to do at once. If I didn't do this at least once a week, I'd be randomly just wiping off stuff as I live my life throughout the day, so I chose to do it on Sunday, basically like a cleaning day. And instead of just doing like a handful of chores every Sunday, I'm now cleaning and wiping down my entire house. I've gotten a lot of suggestions that say wipe down your cabinets, wipe down your walls, wipe down this, wipe down that, do it weekly. So I'm doing it weekly, and if I don't take the time to do it, it took about 3 hours to do, so if I don't take the time to do it all at once, it's never going to get done. I used all of these microfiber towels. You have to change them out frequently in order to, say, keep all the dirt and the mold away. Woo! I need to eat something now. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Other than that, don't put that. Blah. Small spaces gather dust a lot quicker.